Is it alive?
Man, I've been running through this life like I'm Rambo. Got 17 on lock on a joke.
Basically, just got back home from work and Ellie says sit in front of the camera, you're gonna review something. I don't know what it is. See, she told me this morning that don't go to gym straight after work because this, that and the other. What am I reviewing, guys? Let's get it. Is it alive? You what? Man got me a drone. Oh, see. Oh, we gonna need to get some visuals of this. Oh my box. Oh my god, I don't know where to start. Alright, what is it? We got the FPV HD camera drone. Drone. You get these in Aldi and they're $49.99. Ah, this is exciting, yo. Let me get to see. Oh my god. Yo, this looks. See, I need to get it. It's only 720p. It's not 1080p, yeah, but like, yo, it's my first actual drone. I was saying to some guys online as well. I was like, yo, I need to get me a drone. So like, yo, apparently now I do unboxings on my channel as well. I'll probably, yeah. We've got the instructions manual. Tells you what you're supposed to have and stuff. Oh, yo, that looks nice. For $49, yo, that's decent price as well. We've got the charger, we've got a little screwdriver and some spare bits that I have not discovered what they are yet. What are these? Oh, they kind of like shield the propeller thing in my pocket. Is it charged? Hopefully it's charged because I want to get, I don't really like it when like they give you something and it's not charged. And then you gotta charge it, wait a good hour waiting, looking at your toy like, oh, I can't wait. I remember I used to do that as a kid. We got the camera here. Put the SD card in there. What we got here? I think this is like, oh okay, it goes into the back. It's like the battery type of thing. And got 4 batteries, I'm guessing, for the controller. I don't know what that's for.
Your phone's meant to attach to it somehow.
Yeah, I saw it, like some handles or something come out. Oh, they're underneath the drone. Very lightweight. I'd like to see how it does like with the wind, like is it how steady it is. There's the bit that attaches to your phone. Oh, okay, so it makes sense where this clip can come out. And then this goes in.
Oh, that's cool.
It is. We've got the button if you want to take photos, videos. A B button and a flip button. Figure out what those are in a minute. Hopefully when I get onto it, I just like get straight in and I can do it. I'm not crashing it and breaking it. And right, so I'm trying to get the camera in. I got like little fat fingers. Basically managed to get the camera on. It is a little bit difficult, but you do get it on at the end, don't you?
Yeah.
Gonna put these on because where are we gonna fly this? We need to find like.
I know where we can go. Stop. Move the left thumbstick up then down and you'll hear 2 beeps.
It's like a cheat code.
The on-off buttons on both devices will then change to solid red once paired.
Does that mean that it's paired?
I don't know, that's a bit like quick, isn't it? Again.
I am. Stop falling, baby. Come on, let's go.
Should we just go outside?
Let's get it.
Okay.
What y'all think about them? I don't know yet, because obviously we're gonna have to check out the visuals, see how it looks in the video, and then see whether we're gonna be using this more for intros and outros and just random visuals, because it's a drone, homie. Yo, I'm happy about this, you know. Thank you, babe. When I get home, I'm gonna give it an overall rating and see exactly how it does. See, right now it seems good. It's flying and all that. I'm getting a bit of control on it.
We'll see.
So we're basically back to the house. And it's alright, like it's like, I mean, for 50 quid you can't really go wrong, really, considering the price of the actual drones and stuff, really. The only thing I am really disappointed in is just two things, really. The quality, and it's really, really lightweight, so when it was flying, it was, the wind had it.
Yeah, it was barely windy as well, wasn't it?
Like, if you see in this clip, like when I put it down, you can see that the drone's like, I thought it's supposed to like hover, because it does say on the box hover feature, so like, where's that at though? I don't know, maybe if you got a better camera, and then if you were indoors, like for an indoor skate park, or like indoor something indoor that you'd want a drone for, it'd probably be dope for that. But for me, really, if you want like fun with a drone, you live somewhere that's not as windy as England, but it wasn't that windy today, get a drone. I wasn't as excited as I thought I would be, because this picture right here, this right here, that's a lie. Like, where's all this 4K view that I'm seeing right here? I'm sure that's not even 720p though, what we are watching it out of. That looks like really, well,
340 or something.
340, like, nah, it's 122. Like, it's down there, like the quality, you can see some grey bits, and that's just, regardless of the matter, thank you for tuning in, thank you for your time. Oh my god, you've been so kind to me. Hadouken! Yo, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, tell a friend to tell a friend, because we ain't greedy having it. And it, boy, and I'm out.
Man, I've been running through this life like I'm Rambo. Got 17 on lock on a joke.